Reliable hands-free lighting is essential for outdoor activities in low-light conditions. The BioLight headlamp delivers ultra-bright 800 lumens with USB rechargeable convenience and 8 versatile light modes, including red and white settings for varied visibility. Its patented 3D slim fit design integrates electronics into the band for a well-balanced, non-slip fit that stays cool and comfortable. The constant hold mode maintains full brightness without dimming, crucial for technical terrain. It features a reserve mode offering 8 extra hours of light and a pass-through charging cable to extend run times. Weather-resistant and engineered for durability, this headlamp is perfect for hiking, camping, and any demanding nighttime task. Personal safety demands a quick, reliable response in moments of danger. Introducing the WZU Safety Alarm, a compact, rechargeable self-defense device designed for maximum protection with advanced emergency features. It features 2 emergency modes, an ultra-bright LED strobe light, and a drop switch that prevents attackers from disabling it. The anti-reset buckle ensures the alarm stays active, while sound synchronization allows rescuers to track the user's movement. Its anti-muffling and sound amplification design boosts volume through reflective surfaces for greater range. The emergency instinct pull cord enables fast activation under stress. Ideal for jogging, nighttime running, travel, home office, and for women, men, the elderly, and individuals with visual impairments. This alarm ensures safety is always within reach. Falls are inevitable when skating, making full joint protection essential for safety and confidence. The SkateWiz knee and elbow pads offer high-impact protection gear designed for adults who demand durability and comfort while skating. This 6-piece set includes wrist guards, elbow pads, and knee pads, all featuring flexible neoprene sleeves, side foam padding, and extra-long hook and loop straps for a secure, adjustable fit. Built to withstand extreme use, this gear provides maximum coverage for roller skating, skateboarding, and other action sports. With rigorous design and impact-tested materials, it's ideal protective gear for women and men seeking safety without sacrificing movement or style. In outdoor adventures or emergencies, having a reliable digging tool can make all the difference. Meet the Dartmoor Camping Shovel, a 46-centimeter portable survival tool built for digging, sawing, chopping, and entrenching. Made from high-carbon steel, it features rust resistance, anti-deformation, and sturdy serrations for cutting through tough terrain. The foldable design, storage bag, and lightweight build make it easy to carry and store. Its reinforced cutting blade handles gravel and compact soil with ease. Perfect for backpacking, camping, gardening, snow clearing, or vehicle recovery. This shovel locks firmly in place for maximum safety and efficiency, an essential tool for survival, emergencies, and outdoor readiness. Irritation from insect bites can disrupt your comfort, especially during travel or outdoor activities. The Medisana Insect Bite Healer offers quick, chemical-free relief from itching and swelling caused by insect bites and stings. Using targeted heat delivered through a ceramic plate, it soothes the affected area and promotes a comfortable healing process. With 2 adjustable programs, one for sensitive skin and one for normal skin, it ensures safe use for everyone, including children and pregnant women. Completely free from chemicals, it's a safe and natural solution. Its compact, portable design with a carrying strap makes it ideal for travel, camping, and everyday use. A must-have gadget for itch relief anytime, anywhere. Clear communication is essential when exploring the outdoors or coordinating with family in busy environments. The Moiko walkie-talkies are long-range, durable communication devices designed for adults and families. Featuring 22 FRS channels and 99 CT/CSS tones, they offer interference-free conversations with a Vox hands-free function, allowing automatic voice-activated transmission. Ideal for hiking, camping, or crowded places, they include a backlit LCD screen for night use and a built-in LED flashlight for emergencies. Powered by triple rechargeable batteries and designed with a rugged, drop-resistant shell and detachable belt clip, these walkie-talkies ensure convenience, safety, and reliable communication wherever your outdoor adventure leads. Everyday carry demands a reliable, lightweight, and functional cutting tool that won't weigh you down. The R-Black Pocket Knife delivers unmatched strength and utility with its ultra-thin, ultra-lightweight, and ultra-strong 154 cm steel Tanto blade, perfect for tactical use and precision tasks. Featuring brown titanium plating, a dark blue anodized aluminum handle, and a reversible mini deep carry pocket clip, it balances style and performance. The axis lock, ceramic bearing system, and thumb studs ensure smooth, secure one-handed operation. Ergonomically crafted for a 4-finger grip with jimping for control, this EDC tactical knife excels in cutting, piercing, survival, and utility, ideal for both men and women in any environment. Quick and reliable fire response can save lives and prevent property damage in emergencies. The FireXO Fire Extinguisher is a multi-purpose, all-in-one fire safety tool designed for use in the home, kitchen, car, garage, and while going camping. This compact extinguisher tackles all types of small fires, including those caused by cooking oil, electrical devices, fabrics, furnishings, laptops, appliances, batteries, fuel, and metals like magnesium and titanium. With its easy one-hand activation, lightweight aluminum design, and non-toxic, eco-friendly formula, it's safe for both people and pets. Ideal for quick access in emergencies, it provides effective protection wherever fire risks exist. In any outdoor emergency, quick signaling, warmth, and orientation can be life-saving. Introducing the Luxo Gear Safety Whistle, a 5-in-1 survival tool designed for camping, hiking, fishing, and emergency preparedness. It features a 120 decibel loud whistle for long-range alerts, a reliable compass for navigation, and a durable fire starter with a ferro rod and striker to help you stay warm. The 360-degree swivel keychain hook and quick-release lanyard ensure convenience and tangle-free access. Built tough and compact, it's ideal for scaring away animals, signaling for help, or starting fires in survival situations. Whether for you or a loved one, this tool boosts safety and peace of mind outdoors. In emergencies, having quick, nutritious, and easy-to-prepare food is vital for survival and peace of mind. The Augusten Farms Emergency Meal Kit offers a 72-hour, one-person food supply with delicious and well-balanced meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It includes maple brown sugar oatmeal, creamy potato soup, and creamy chicken rice, all packed in portable pouches that are affordable and ideal for storing in cars, backpacks, offices, or closets. These easy-to-prepare meals require just water and are ready in minutes. This kit is a dependable emergency food supply solution, helping you stay prepared, well-fed, and energized during any crisis or survival scenario. When starting a fire in the wild or in emergencies, reliability and portability are essential. Introducing the Forest Fundamentals Ferro Rod, an ultra-compact fire-starting tool designed for bushcraft, camping, and survival. CNC machined from high-grade anodized aluminum, it features a tungsten carbide striker that produces powerful sparks and resists wear. Its replaceable nanoferrocerium rod strikes the perfect balance between softness and durability for efficient ignition. The kit includes spare rubber seals, a keychain coil, and an 800 mm survival lanyard with copper wire, fishing line, waxed jute, and paracord. Waterproof, lightweight, and built for everyday carry, it's ideal for outdoor adventures and emergency preparedness alike. Sometimes having a powerful light and a safety alert within reach can make all the difference in critical moments. Introducing the LEDlenser K6 R Keyring Torch, a premium mini keychain light that delivers 400 lumens, brighter than most smartphones, in a sleek, high-quality brushed aluminum housing. Equipped with a shrill safety alarm, strobe light, and adjustable brightness, it ensures visibility and protection in emergencies. This compact LED torch includes a transport lock, battery charge indicator, fold-out USB-A for fast charging, and a carabiner for easy attachment. Whether clipped to a keychain, purse, or backpack, it's the perfect emergency light and alarm for on-the-go safety. Every day, preparedness demands a compact, reliable tool that can handle emergencies and daily tasks alike. Introducing the Good Worker Pocket Knife, a 5-in-1 tactical folding tool designed for camping, survival, hiking, fishing, hunting, and emergencies. It features a 2.95 inches serrated 440C stainless steel blade, glass breaker, seatbelt cutter, thumb studs, liner lock, press flipper, and pocket clip for quick access and secure carry. Its ergonomic aluminum handle offers durability and comfort, while the patriotic American flag design adds a bold, symbolic touch. Legal to carry in all U.S. states, it's ideal for indoor and outdoor use and a great gift for men who value readiness. Creating a safe, warm fire outdoors shouldn't be bulky or complicated. Meet the LUK-VCIY Portable Fire Pit, a 42-centimeter foldable outdoor fire pit designed for camping, picnics, backyard bonfires, and more. Built with durable stainless steel and a cross-structured frame, it offers excellent stability and load capacity for all fire sizes. Its heat-resistant mesh prevents ash from falling and is easy to clean and reusable. The tool-free assembly with detachable legs makes setup simple and efficient. Lightweight and compact, it includes a carrying bag for easy transport. This portable fireplace is perfect for hiking, fishing, mountaineering, and outdoor barbecues, ensuring warmth and convenience anywhere. Securing cargo safely and efficiently is essential for any transport, job site, or adventure trip. Introducing the Stanley Cargo Secure, a custom-designed tool featuring a center hub anchored by 8 premium adjustable bungee cords and 8 black hooks, offering quick and reliable attachment. Its 2 adjustable tension pods easily slide along the bungee arms, providing versatile tension points for any cargo load. This multi-use bungee web is perfect for ATVs, work trucks, construction sites, or camping adventures. By combining smart design with durability, Stanley's adjustable bungee system redefines traditional cargo securing solutions, keeping your gear stable no matter the terrain or task. Efficient and reliable tools are essential for outdoor woodcutting and survival tasks. The Council Tool Craft Pack Axe is a versatile 2-pound camping axe featuring a 24-inch curved American hickory handle and a premium leather sheath for portability. It excels at chopping, splitting, carving, shaving, and fire starting, making it ideal for campers, hikers, and bushcrafters. The hand-sharpened edge delivers precision and cutting efficiency, while the hardened pole doubles as a hammer for driving stakes. Built for durability and balance, this pack axe offers strength and comfort for extended outdoor use. Leaks can cause costly damage if not sealed immediately, especially in harsh outdoor conditions. Meet the HSS Sealant Tape, a commercial-grade, waterproof roofing tape designed to provide instant sealing with maximum resistance to all weather conditions. Powered by patented microsealant technology, it bonds aggressively to virtually any surface, creating a durable, airtight seal, even in extreme heat, rain, or snow. This UV and weatherproof tape won't crack or peel and is perfect for roof and RV repairs, including flat roofs, metal surfaces, and more. Made in the USA, it's easy to apply anytime, anywhere, offering a reliable, long-term fix for leaks and damage. Reliable and portable power is crucial for outdoor adventures and emergencies. The Greasel Portable Power Station is a compact 240-watt solar generator with a 153.6 watt-hours LiFePO4 battery designed for camping, hiking, travel, and backup power. It supports USB-C, 100-watt bidirectional fast charging, and features 5 output ports with 2 input options to charge multiple devices simultaneously. It's an integrated phone tablet stand and adjustable 360 degrees LED lighting with an SOS mode, adding convenience. Weighing only 4.5 pounds, it fits easily in luggage. Built-in BMS protection ensures safety with overvoltage, short circuit, and overload safeguards, making it a reliable power source for outdoor and emergency use. Every adventurer needs a reliable, all-in-one tool that's ready for any challenge on the go. Introducing the Willock Multi-Tool Pocket Knife, a compact 9-in-1 multi-tool designed for versatility, combining a pocket knife, scissors, double-sided file, saw, bottle opener, can opener, glass breaker, and belt clip in one durable gadget. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it resists rust and sweat corrosion, ensuring long-term performance. Its ergonomic design ensures a secure, comfortable grip, ideal for camping, hiking, or everyday use. With its portable size and belt clip for easy carry, this multi-tool is a practical choice for outdoor enthusiasts and makes a perfect stocking stuffer or gift for men. A quick, reliable way to inflate your tires can make all the difference during a ride or an emergency. The Pro Bike Tool Mini Bike Pump is a compact and portable bicycle pump designed for fast inflation with 30% fewer strokes than standard models. Crafted from CNC machined aluminum alloy, it's lightweight, durable, and built to withstand tough rides. The integrated pressure gauge ensures accurate inflation, while the secure thread-on valve is compatible with both Presta and Schrader valves, preventing leaks. Ideal for cyclists, this essential mini bike accessory fits easily in a jersey pocket or backpack, making it perfect for rides, survival kits, and emergencies.